What's good, YouTube? We are here back at it again. Day 46 of becoming a profitable trader. So today's market open and it's April 20, Monday 2026. And so far we didn't take any kind of trades, but guys, I have a good news. We actually got our new prop firm that will be trading for the next couple of days or weeks. So I will definitely tell you what are the rules for this prop firm. Okay guys, so the prop firm that we are going to involve will be next level funding. As you guys can see, the funded that I want to buy personally is the instant beginner session. I don't want to buy the pro, I don't want to buy the 2 steps, the 1 step. I want instant beginner. So this is like the most strict rules they have. So as you guys can see, our TP or profit target will be $250 daily drawdown. Everything is as you can see in the screen. So we actually have this account. So we are going to try to pass this account for the next remaining of April. We definitely need a payout before May, guys, because things needs to escalate and things needs to change, and we need to get a bigger funds and bigger capital and bigger payouts starting from next month. So I think this will help us drastically get our hands on the bigger leagues. So so far when we come to the market update, we didn't take any kind of trades. We just have this 200 points to the downside, but our price is trying to fill it up. But eventually we have a lot of draws of liquidity to the downside listed for sure. And we made a bearish SMT like a couple of minutes ago, but if we make a higher high, we're gonna invalidate that SMT. So far I didn't see an A+ for me, guys, not at all. It's just this V-shaped recovery. I could have taken some longs around here. Like I said, I don't want to involve any kind of trades unless it's a US session. Anyways guys, I will definitely update you, give you the trade recap and the confluences that I used to take trades. Like I said guys, from starting from today, we're trading on the $10,000 funded account that we have bought today. So guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Order filled.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's dive in on the trade recap that we took a trade on nasdaq. So I'm giving you guys a trade recap on the 21st, but the actual trade that we took was yesterday on the 20th. So let's dive in. So market open around, actually you navigate London as well, Asia as well too, but let's just focus on the US session for today, because London and Asia price action was just majorly consolidation, guys. As you guys can see, which is consolidation. I can say this was like AMP, accumulation, manipulation, then bang, distribution to the downside. So perfect. Anyways, first of all, my confluence that I used was, my bias was bearish because of the news, because as you guys can see, we had this 200 points gap that was led a day before on Sunday. Once market opened, I think the reason we come all the way up here is to fill this gap at the same day, which is so crazy. And the other was a order block right here. So we have this bearish order flow or bearish order block to the downside with a good displacement, but price was actually manipulating. The buyers were not trying to control, you know, they're trying to push price higher here. So this was a manipulation, guys. You see this candle, this was basically a manipulation. So people think, oh, we're going higher now by making a V-shaped recovery. No, we don't. The sellers still are pushing the price lower and lower. This is when I was like, okay, now we break a structure to the downside. The bearish order flow is just getting respected. So I actually took a trade right here, then bang. As you guys can see, my TP that I was basically targeting was these lows, the Asia and London lows down here. And yeah, our TP have been banged. So the confluence that I used was 1, break of structure, order block, and definitely my daily bias was bearish due to the news of Iran and the US. So guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you want more about this trade recap, make sure you email me down in the description. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.